Hi everyone, this is Cyrus from iPhoneAppsFun.com. Today I have a super cool app for mainly for students, but anyone who's in chemistry, interested in chemistry, they're gonna love this application. It's called EleMints. Now, I'd like to call it Elements because it's easier for me to pronounce, but it's basically a an interactive periodic table that you can use on your iPad, and it saves you from having to go and play with one that is on a piece of paper. It's much easier to look up elements when you have an interactive solution like this. So let's see how it works. So this is the second version. It's just pretty simple. I mean, this is a periodic table. You have hydrogen, helium, lithium, things like that. So I mean, this is basic chemistry we're talking about here. But when you click on it, when you tap on it, it actually shows you all the information that you need for your problems. Now, you may look at this and say, "Wow, this is useless information." Well, it's not if you're actually taking an advanced chemistry course and you need all this. You need to know all these properties and radius and things like that. And believe me, when you take an advanced course in chemistry, you are gonna even a semi-advanced course, you're gonna have to know a lot of this stuff and all the properties and everything else. Now here's the neat part. Let me do some magic here. So I just want to show you what happens when I zoom in. See, when I zoom in, it actually the box that includes each element, it actually gets it actually shows more. It shows you the structure. You see all these different numbers next to each element. Yeah, that's very important when you're looking up an element. You want to find out more, and you want to deal with isotopes and things like that. Knowing this information really helps, and you have the settings that you can obviously use to get more information. If you want atomic weight, specific heat, density, and all of that is that included there. Now, if you want to change the colors, yeah, go. I mean, whatever works for you, but you have a lot of options as far as what you can do. And this is pretty. It's like having your own spreadsheet of elements, if you will. It shows you everything you need to know about each element, almost everything. So density, radius, whatever you name it. It's crystal structure. That's really important to know. So and you can just tap on any column and any row or column item and just get the information about the element that you're dealing with. The graphs don't need any introduction. You can see the elements and their electronegativity, for instance, and or specific heat, atomic weight. Change the orientation because that's easier to see. Well, actually, it's not easier to see, but see, I'm going all the way down. It's showing how it's changing. So these are all the elements at the bottom, and you get the point. So and this is the standard one. There are some articles included on chemistry. If you're new to chemistry, it's grabbing information from Wikipedia, so you can actually learn more about what you're looking at. If you don't know what you're dealing with, then that's tough. But So the article library is there to help you out, and it also has other. It covers other subjects as well. So you're not limited to that. So so I personally like, this is very helpful. This is something you can't do on a piece of paper. Being able to zoom all the way in and see relevant information for each table item. Obviously, you have the, the properties table that you can go and interact with, and as I mentioned, it covers everything you need to know basically for your course, depending on the level you're taking. So, and the links are, Wikipedia links or EleMints links are there for you to take advantage of. If you need, this could be an overkill if you're just taking a basic chemistry course, and you probably don't, maybe not even having to deal with a whole lot of things on as far as the periodic table of elements is concerned. But if you are taking a college course on chemistry, things are going to move fast once you go past the first couple of chapters of your book that walks you through it slowly, what elements are about. But from there, you get to learn about moles, and then you go faster and faster about, learn about atomic structure and table of elements. So if you've taken chemistry, you know what I'm talking about. And this is a wonderful tool to have to learn chemistry, to master chemistry, and to look up information without having to deal with a paper or a textbook or anything like that. The app is available for $5 at the time of this video. I'm not sure if it's going to go up or down. You know how the App Store works. Apps go from $10 to $1, go from $1 to $10. So this is definitely worth $5. You can, chemistry books, textbooks are $100, and they don't offer you this much flexibility as far as going through the information. So I would definitely recommend it to anyone taking a chemistry course. The user interface could be tweaked a little bit to be even more user friendly. But as it is, it does what it's supposed to do. So if you have any suggestions for chemistry apps that you want us to review, you think are better than this app or are complementary to this app, you can always send us emails, or you leave us a comment or send us email to iPhoneAppFinder.com or iPad and we'll review it if we find that it offers more features or it offers a unique value. So if you have any comments on this app or overall the reviews that we're doing, we appreciate that as well. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch up with you guys soon.